Donald Trump is now the first former president in U.S. history to face a criminal prosecution. He pleaded not guilty today to 34 felony counts of falsifying business records.
The indictment shows the charges stem from payoffs to two different women ahead of the 2016 election. WGN's Andrea Medina is here now with details on that court appearance. Andrea?
Hi, Ben and Dina. Donald Trump first heard the charges against him for the very first time during the unprecedented court appearance, I should say. The indictment claims a former president went great lengths to hide potentially damaging information ahead of the 2016 election. Former President Donald Trump walked out of a Manhattan courthouse without saying a word on Tuesday afternoon after pleading not guilty to 34 counts of falsifying New York business records in the first degree.
These are felony crimes in New York State, no matter who you are. We cannot and will not normalize serious criminal conduct.
In a 16-page indictment brought by Manhattan District Attorney Alvin Bragg, it alleges Trump orchestrated a catch-and-kill scheme through a series of payments to conceal damaging information and unlawful activity.
The defendant claimed that he was paying Michael Cohen for legal services performed in 2017. This simply was not true.
The indictment lays out 3 different instances of hush money payments to cover up the alleged affairs. Court documents say a former Trump Tower doorman was allegedly paid off to suppress information about Trump having a child out of wedlock. Documents also state a woman who claimed she had a sexual relationship with Trump was allegedly paid off to silence her. It also says Trump allegedly arranged a $130,000 payment to former adult actress Stormy Daniels.
Why did Donald Trump repeatedly make these false statements? The evidence will show that he did so to cover up crimes relating to the 2016 election.
While Trump didn't talk to reporters after the arraignment, he plans to give a speech tonight at a rally in Mar-a-Lago. He did comment on the case on Truth Social, writing in part, "The hearing was shocking to many in that they had no surprises and therefore no case. Virtually every legal pundit has said that there is no case here. There was nothing done illegally," unquote. Now, the next hearing date for Trump's case is set for December in New York. Guys.
Thanks, Andrea.